Hello everyone. Cyber threats are everywhere and your data is at risk. Want to protect your personal and business information from hackers? In this video, we'll cover the top cybersecurity strategies to protect your data and keep your digital life safe. Make sure to watch till the end. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nirmani Geeks Unleashed. Today we are diving into essential cybersecurity tips and strategies that can help you safeguard your sensitive information, prevent data breaches, and stay one step ahead of cyber criminals. Whether you are a business owner, student, or just someone using the internet, these tips are for you. First up, always use strong, unique passwords for every account. Combine letters, numbers, and symbols to make it harder for hackers to guess. And don't forget multi-factor authentication or MFA, which adds up extra layer of protection by requiring a second verification step, like a code sent to your phone or fingerprint recognition. Next, keep all your software and operating systems up to date. Hackers often exploit outdated software vulnerabilities, so regular updates are a simple but powerful way to protect your devices. Firewalls and antivirus programs are your first line of defense. Firewalls block unauthorized access to your network, while antivirus software detects and removes malicious programs before they can harm your system. Encrypting your sensitive data is crucial actually. Encryption converts your information into secure format that only authorized users can read. This protects your data both when it's stored and while it's being transmitted online. Human error is a major cause of cyber attacks. Educate your employees, family members to recognize phishing scams, suspicious links, and unsafe online practices. Awareness can prevent many security breaches. Always backup your important data regularly. In case of ransomware attack, accidental deletion or system crash, backup allow you to restore your information quickly. Ideally, store backup offline for extra security. Monitor your networks and systems for unusual activity. Tools like intrusion detection systems and security event management platforms alert you to potential threats in real time. Finally, implement access controls. That's very important. Give users access only to the data and systems they need. Follow the least privilege principle reduces the impact of compromised accounts and internal risk. By following these top security strategies, you can protect your personal and business data from cyber threats. Remember, strong passwords, encryption, firewalls, and awareness are your keys to stay safe online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and cybersecurity guidelines. And comment below what's your top cybersecurity tip. Have a nice day.